Phonemic Awareness for Struggling Readers, Step-by-Step Instructions for Phonemic Manipulation Using Word Families. I created this activity specifically for my high school students who are having difficulty reading. In this product, I include some background information from Reading Rockets, ASHA, Reading with TLC, just to give you some background in phonological awareness. I've also included some basic assessment tools for checking out various phonemic and phonological awareness activities. I am specifically focusing in on phonemic manipulation in this activity. I've included an explanation of what it is, materials needed, and I basically use an ABC chart for the phoneme manipulation to begin with, to give students a visual support. And basically what they're doing is they're taking a word family that gets written at the top of a board. It could be a dry erase board. I use these dry erase circles that stick right to the desk and they're removable, which I have loved. So they go through their charts. I help them, give them guidance as far as how many words are found in each row. They have really enjoyed this activity, and there's always an incentive, whether I use fake money or they build something with their Jenga blocks or Kerplunk. There's several games that we've used along with this activity. Here's specific instructions on how to teach the manipulation. There's a level 1 and a level 2. Here's a chart that you can use. It's a blank chart that you can send to students. You can use it in person, or you can send it remotely. You can use it in Google Classroom. Okay, here are the charts that I created. I have 3 charts that are strategically organized in a certain way, so that I tried to put all of the similar final sounds together, all the in the columns, going across in the rows. I maintained the vowel in the row. And I have chart 1 is short vowel CVC word families. Chart 2 is short vowel CVCC word families. And chart 3 is silent E, diphthongs, and Vocalic R word families. The next section are all the word family charts. There are 89 word family charts with all the words in them, so that you've got basically little answer cards so that you can check this list against the list that the student has made. And there's quite a few. I went through all the vowels, then CVCC, several charts for that, all divided up according to the vowel pattern. And that's basically the product. I hope you'll enjoy this video and give me feedback if you do utilize this product. My email is ricky@preschoolspeechyplus.com. Thank you.